Welcome to the Introduction of Google Docs online version. Insert Menu, Section A, Part 3 of 7 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library. Table of Contents, Insert Menu, Section A, Part 3 of 7 parts. Image, Upload from Computer, Search Web, Drive, Photos, by URL, Camera. Table, Drawing, new from Drive, Chart, bar, column, line, pie from Sheets, horizontal line in Emoji, drop down, new drop down, project status, review status, launch status, yes or no, preset drop downs, footnote, building blocks, meeting notes, email draft, product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, launch content tracker. Insert menu. Image command has several features that allow you to insert images. Insert menu. Search the web opens Google Images on the right side of the screen. Insert menu. Drive opens Google Drive. You can select recent image or images, images stored on My Drive, or images that have been shared with me. Insert menu. Selecting photos opens the Google Photo app on the right side of the screen. Your photos are automatically organized to make searching easy. Enter the URL of the image. https://pixabay.com. Only select images that you have confirmed that you have the license to use. Click Insert Image. Image will be inserted into the document. You also have the options of uploading images from your camera. Click and hold the left mouse button down and drag the cursor across and down to select the size of the table. The table below has 10 columns and 5 rows. To adjust the height of a cell, place the cursor on the top or bottom line of the cell. Cursor will change shapes. Hold down the left mouse button and drag. Release when you have the size you want. To widen the cell, place the cursor on either side of the cell. Hold down the left mouse button and drag. Release when you have the size you want. Cursor will turn into an arrow with points at both ends and 2 straight lines in between. Release the button and the new size will be displayed. Right-clicking on a cell opens this drop-down menu. You can insert rows and columns, delete rows, delete columns, or the table itself, and many other options. Drawings. Select New and the page will open to a blank canvas. You can add text, shapes, images, lines, and more. Drawings also opens from Drive where you can select a drawing you've already made. You can select the type of chart you would like, bar, column, line, or pie, or choose one from Google Sheets. Selecting from Sheets opens Google Sheets. Select the sheet you want, then click Select. Clicking Select opens the Import chart. Notice the Import button is grayed out. Click on the chart again and the Import button becomes active. Click Import. The chart will be inserted into the docs. Leave the box checked to link to the spreadsheet if you want to be able to edit it after it's imported. To edit, click on the 3 vertical dots. Select Open Source. The chart will open in Google Sheets for editing. Horizontal line simply inserts a horizontal line. Emoji drop-down menu. Click on an emoji and it will be inserted into the document. Please see video number 4 for the Smart Chips tutorial. Drop-down has several options: Not Started, In Progress, Under Review, Approved, Launched, and Reviewed. But you can also create your own options anytime you wish by clicking on New Option. To create a new drop-down option, name the template and select what information you want as an option. Select the colors by clicking on the arrow next to the circles. To delete, click on the trash can next to the option you want to delete. To add another option, click on the plus new option. The next time you click on drop-down options, the new option will appear on the list. Drop-down options for Review Status, Not Started, In Progress, Under Review, Approved. Launch Status, Not Started, In Progress, Launched. Yes or No only has two options. Create a table and enter the information. Then go to Insert menu, drop down to Project Status. Project Status and Review Status. Click inside a cell and select one of the options. Do this for each cell. To change the status, click on the arrow on the right side of the status. Review Status has the Approved option. To add a footnote, click and decide where on the document you want the footnote to appear. Click on Insert menu, click Footnote, and then add the footnote. Clicking Meeting Notes gives you the option of searching your calendar or selecting from the list. For this tutorial, there are only 2 entries on the list. Selected event will display the name of the event, etc. You could also add any notes or actions. Clicking the 3 dots, the kebab, will give you the option of emailing the notes and attaching files. An invitation has been attached to the email. After clicking Email Meeting Notes, Gmail will open, edit draft if necessary, click Send. Note, if you are using Firefox and Gmail does not open, look for a warning underneath the toolbar. Firefox may be blocking the pop-up for Gmail. Product Roadmap helps you to meet the objective or goals of a project by tracking the ongoing progress of the project. You can change the name of the headers by highlighting the header, then clicking Delete. Type in a new header name that relates to the project. Right-clicking on one of the status menu choices opens the drop-down Options menu. You can add more options to the product roadmap by clicking New Option, name the option, click Save. The new option now appears on the drop-down. You can also delete an option by clicking on the trash can next to it. You can change the option colors by clicking on the arrow next to it. Assign people to review the progress to ensure the objectives are being met. 2 people have been assigned but have not yet started their review. Greg Smith has completed his review. Notes show the project was forwarded to Jane Street for review. You can also click on the comment icon and send a message to Jane Street advising her the review is now assigned to her. When message is complete, click Assign. Add comment. You can add more rows and columns to the review tracker using the same steps you used for the project roadmap. Project Assets helps you to keep track of projects or files and what stage of completion they are in. The Launch Contact Tracker is useful to publishers to track the status of the publications. You can edit the headings, edit options, add more rows or columns. Example: Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction of Google Docs online version, Insert Menu, Section A, Part 3 of 7 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 3. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 4 through 7 of Google Docs. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact Gloria Terry at mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.